Hello everyone, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today we'll be making Tunisian carrot salad. We'll be using purple cabbage, carrots, green onions, teaspoon salt and black pepper, 2 tablespoons olive oil, olives, and parsley. I'm going to go ahead and start peeling the carrots. We'll go ahead and grate it, and then we'll cut up the purple cabbage, the green onions, and I'll be right back. Okay, I've already started to prep the carrots using a grater to grate the carrots. And this is 3 large carrots. And I've used this side. There's 4 different sides, but I used the large grater on this side. I got a head start on slicing cabbage, green onions. We'll add the cabbage, green onions, parsley, give it a good mix. Olive oil, give it a good mix. And add salt, pepper for taste. This is a quick side dish, or you can have it as a light dinner. Let me go ahead and get my dish ready, and we'll garnish it with olives. This is the final results to the Tunisian carrot salad. If you try this at home, leave a comment below on how it turned out. Please subscribe to my channel. Hope you enjoyed this video. Turn on your notification bell. I'll be posting weekly videos.